Welcome to the second part of the Caddy transformation video. This is rusted out garage, and in the last video it was happening something like this. This is some add-on for the front bumper. Side skirts, tow bar from the Caddy I bought last week. I have no idea what I'm doing now. Tap tap, and it's done. A bit of a situation here. I have an idea. Okay, we can all agree that the black spray paint was not the best idea that I had. I got the Caddy. And also, I got Rado. Now it's time to show you the rest of the progress and how this Caddy turned out so fucking good, man. I didn't even dream of this Caddy looking so good. So get a coffee, a beer, whiskey or whatever you want and enjoy the process. Okay, the hood is ready. Clear coat is good. Just some hours later I can touch it, no problem. The wheels are here. I got the tow bar that's going to be my new rear bumper, and I got the side skirts, and I got the Caddy, and also I got Rado, who can help me eventually. This is the list. Now, front bumper is ready. Wheels and tires are checked, but they are not on the car. So I need to do this. And after this is the hood. The hood I will wait for Rado because he's got something to do, to finish. So I'm going with wheels and tires and lowering the coilovers. Yep, let's go. Haide! Minus dve gajky. The thread on one of the nuts is out and looks like I will be riding only on one good nut. Time for some tuning. And I let your love slip away. Is removing the rear bumper and I'm ready to put the front wheels on, but since this is old Volkswagen, they have a problem. When you make the car extremely low, the drive shaft is hitting this piece of the chassis. So I think I will fix this now with a hammer. fender on the car. Fitment is not so great. This is right side. I can put forefinger. Now we are going to the left. Here, no forefinger. Only two. Something is not okay. But you'll see this later. But fitment is good. Yes. It's good. And also on the front. We are going down. No more holes here. This one is dancing. Final measuring on the back, and it is равно? It's good. Now I don't know if I need more camber at the front. We need to move the car a little bit so the suspension can stay in its normal working position. Yeah, it was like this. Car is on the ground. Now. On the left side, the wheel is not poking, at least not so much, but on the right side it's poking, and I don't know what is the reason. Camber should be the same. It looks the same, but now I don't know if the fender is in the correct position. I need to adjust the fender.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak onto the main floor. All night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take a long way home. Tonight we're free to roam. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down.
Okay? Okay. Mic, side skirts are done. It's time to put the final part. It's the hood.
Not gonna worry. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight.
Time to tick the ticks. Somebody was ticking my ticks. But we have front bumper. We have wheels and tires. The hood is ready and mounted. Lowering the coilovers is done. Side skirts mounted. Passenger seat. Tow barrier bumper mounted. Also, I didn't put here the fog lights, which are mounted. They are not working, but are on the car. Let's see. The time is, yes, proper time. Car is ready. I can put this here. I can close this. I'm still not sure about the back of this car, but I am pretty sure about these wheels, these side skirts, these wheels, and this hood. The color difference is not so big in real life, but it's good. Okay. You good? Everybody good. Maybe I need to film it tomorrow in the sun.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire.